Hi everyone, welcome back. Before we begin, here's the final animation we're creating today. Don't worry if it looks complicated. I guide you through every step, explain what each node does, and show you how everything works together. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build this animation yourself. Let's begin. Okay, we start with two noise tops. The first noise top is our main texture. Now go to parameter comment to change the YouTube size 1920 x 1080. Okay, I usually choose complex 3D because it creates a more organic and natural pattern. Here, I will adjust parameters like seed, period, harmonics, exponent, and offset. These parameters control the overall shape, details, and the contrast of the noise. The seed creates a different random pattern, while exponent changes the contrast of the texture. By adjusting these values, we can create many different visual styles. In noise 1, I changed the seed to 3990. You can just simply see what I did. One very important parameter is translate Z. Normally the noise is completely static. To animate it, I use a simple Python expression. You type abs time.seconds times 0.3. This continuously moves the noise through Z direction, creating smooth organic motion. Without this expression, the image would stay completely still. Next, we create a second noise top. Just Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Second noise, we only change few things. The seed change to 3058, and the period from 5 we change to 3. Others all the same. We turn the monotone on. Okay, we also changed the Python code. After that, we connect both noise tops into a Displace top. The first input is the image we want to distort. The second input is the displacement map. The Displace top uses brightness values of the second image to push and pull the pixels of the first image. This creates flowing, organic distortion and gives the animation much more life. In the Displace parameter, we don't need to change anything. Next, I add a level top. The level top is used to adjust the brightness, contrast, gamma, and transparency. It helps us fine-tune the image before adding more effects. Sometimes even a small adjustment can completely change the overall look. You can experiment this by yourself. After that, I add a blur top. Blur softens the image and removes the harsh edges. It also creates smoother transitions between colors. This makes the animation look softer and more organic. In the parameter of blur top, we need to change a few things. Next, I create two transform tops. A transform top allowed us to move, rotate, and scale an image. By creating two different transforms and combining them together, we can generate more layers and more visual complexity. Even small differences in scale and position can create interesting motion. My screen is big enough so you can see what I put in Transform 1 and Transform 2. And this time, instead of using screen recording, I'm recording directly with my phone, so you can see everything more clearly. Then I combine everything using a composite top. Composite top always need two inputs, so we drag Transform 1 and we drag Transform 2 into composite top. The composite top mixes multiple images together. Different composite operations create completely different visual effects. I usually experiment with different such as add, multiply, screen, burn, color, and inside until I find the look I like. In this project, I choose the last one called Z Film. Okay, after this composite top, I add one more composite top to add more visual effects. Since the composite top needs two inputs, so I drag blur into the second input. The operation, we choose multiply. And then I add second level top. This gives me another chance to adjust the overall brightness and contrast. We only change the parameter a little bit. We change the contrast from 1 to 0.74. Okay, after second level top, I add another composite top. A composite top needs at least two inputs. The first input is the image coming from the level top. For the second input, I add a constant top. The constant top, we need to go to the parameter from a common, we change to YouTube size, 1920 times 1080. A constant top generates a solid color image. It doesn't contain any texture or animation, just provides a clean, uniform background. In the composite top, we keep operation multiply. Make sure the level on the top and the constant on the bottom. Okay, now we are about halfway through the project. Next, I add a bloom top. A bloom top creates a soft glow around the bright areas of the image. It makes the animation feel brighter, softer, and more cinematic. You can look at the parameter what I changed here. Okay, after bloom top, we add another composite top. Then we add text top. The text top is for the second input of the composite. This time the composite we choose Operation Freeze. And we need first change the text size, change to YouTube size 1920 times 1080. The font you can choose whatever you like. And then the font size you can test 100 or 200 or 240. This project I use 200 or 220. You can change the word to music or animation or any your favorite word. So the important is the composite top. You need to make sure the text is on the top and the bloom on the bottom. So after composite top, we need RGB key top. We want to change the background to black. And then we add a blur top. Okay, now last part. To make the animation audio reactive, I add an audio file in Chop. This node reads the audio signal and sends it into the Chop network. Without an audio source, there would be nothing to analyze. Next, we add Analyzed Chop and then Mass Chop. Different analysis modes produce different kinds of data. So in this analyze, we use RMS power. It measures the overall energy of the sound, while average calculates the average value over time. By changing the analyze mode, you can create different animation behaviors. Okay, about the mask top. Remaps one range of values into another. In this project, I remapped the audio values from 0 to 0.5 into 0.8 to 1.2. Okay, without the mask chop, the effect would often be too weak or too strong. Mask doesn't create animation, it controls the animation. In this project, we use the mask to control the bloom intensity. Okay, now I use this project to try different things. First I delete the text. You can delete the music or animation. Then we add another top, movie file in top. It will pop the banana. So you connect the banana into the last composite top. You can change different image or video. Okie dokie, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I see you next time.